The first question here, the instructions has been given like 30 words. Limit is 30 words. Okay, we have those names here. Yes. So this is within 30 words, you have to write down your answer. So here the funda is that you need to include all those important aspects, important facts that is related to the question. Mostly they are very important aspects of Indian history, and they are mostly related to freedom struggle or freedom movement. So here we can see that the question is the Simon Commission, second Quit India movement, a round table conference, Delhi, Agra. Agra is kind of medieval, okay, so mostly it is related to medieval history. Champaran, Chauri Chaura. So you have to write down your answer within 30 words, and as I have said already that you have to include very important facts in your answer, because if you are writing down all the kind of stuffs that are not very important uh, for those facts that has been given, for those questions that has been given here, so your marks may be reduced. Can't You may not be able to fetch more marks for your answer. So you should write your answer in this way. Okay. So the Simon Commission. So what was Simon Commission? First, when was it formed? You must write it down. Like in 1927, the formation of commission was done in 1927. Okay. So in 1927, this commission was formed. And for what purpose? What was the purpose of forming that commission? So for the constitutional progress and reform. To study constitutional progress and reforms. Now the commission in India in 1923. When did it come? It is also important, and in the objective question, it has been also asked in your BPSC exams and etc. That when did it come to India? So you must have to remember these dates, these years. It was a group of 7 members, and it was chaired by Sir John Simon. So all the important facts have been associated here. Okay. Your answer must comprise of all those important aspects of the things that have been asked in your question. So now second question is Quit India movement. It is also very important question, and most of the time in PT exams also it has been asked several times in your BPSC examination and judiciary mains examination and PT exams as well. So the way of writing should be like that. Quit India movement was launched by Gandhiji. Who launched it? So first name of the person who launched this movement, Quit India movement, that is Gandhiji launched in which years? So here need to be mentioned here also. It was a kind of what kind of movement it was. So also it need to be mentioned here. So it kind of civil disobedient movement. Okay. Civil disobedient means it's kind of non-cooperation. You are not cooperating with the government. Like you don't want to, whatever government wants you to do, you don't exceed with the government's demand. So this is the main motto and objective of this kind of movement. So movement in which he gave his famous slogan, "Do or die." Okay. So do or die. This is also very important, and in objective exam, it is also asked do and die. Okay. The main objective of this movement was to compel Britishers to leave India. What was the objective? It also need to be written down here. Okay. Now another question is round table conference. So first introduction. Roundtable Conference was a series of 3 meetings called by British government to prepare the blueprint of Indian Constitution. What was the objective of this? That is blueprint, to prepare the blueprint of Indian Constitution. And it was, what was it? It was a series of 3 meetings. Series of meetings. Okay. By British government and elected representative of Indian Constitution. These sessions held between, is also very important. What was the year in which those movement took place, those conferences took place. The result of these conference was Government of India Act. So result also need to be written down here. So result was 1935, and which established provincial autonomy. Okay. So provincial autonomy, establishment of uh, provincial autonomy was ensured after these conferences. Now come to the question, that is Delhi. You have to write down about Delhi. So Delhi is very historical place, and it is also famous for its tourist destination. So many monuments, so many medieval monuments especially is situated in Delhi. So at first we should start with the introduction. What is Delhi? So that Delhi is capital of India. It need to be written down here. Has been an important political center of India. Okay, from days of yours, it has been a political center. If you see the Delhi Sultanate, Mughal era, in every empires, Delhi has very prominent role to play in the entire history of India. So it need to be written down here. The foundation stone of New Delhi was laid by George V during Delhi Darbar 1911. After 1912, Delhi was considered as the capital of India, and in Delhi Darbar, it was finalized by George V. It is also a destination for tourists. Okay, as you already know about this. Famous monuments like of Mughal era, like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, etc., are situated in this historic city. So all the important facts here included. Agra. So Agra is prominently known for Taj Mahal. This is very important fact because Taj Mahal one of the very important place in India, and for what India is known for, especially for cultural aspects. Taj Mahal is very important in India, and it is famous, in world from very various parts of the world. People come here to just visit Taj Mahal. So it must be written down here. Taj Mahal, which is one of the most fascinating monuments situated in India. Sikandar Lodi. So who established this place is also very important. So Sikandar Lodi, you need to mention here. And in which city? It was 1504. These facts are also asked in your objective exams. So you need to remember these facts also. Sikandar Lodi of Lodi dynasty on the city in 1504. Okay. So this has also been asked so many times. This has also been asked so many times in your BPSC PT exams. This city has several monuments, which is a region of attraction for tourists. Okay. So there are several monuments apart from Taj Mahal also. Now Champaran. Champaran is situated in Bihar. Champaran is a very famous place so far the freedom movement is concerned. And Rajkumar Shukla, so many times the question from Rajkumar Shukla has been asked in your PT exams, or BPSC and judiciary exams as well. Rajkumar Shukla invited Gandhiji. Okay, Gandhiji was invited by Rajkumar Shukla to visit Champaran and alleviate the situation of indigo farmers. So farmers were compelled for the cultivation of indigo. That was the main cause of concern for the farmers residing in Champaran. And Raj Kumar Shukla was one of the representative of these farmers, and he consulted Gandhi and invited him to join the struggle. And Gandhiji experimented this Satyagraha 1970. Gandhiji launched his first Satyagraha as a weapon against English. Okay, so these are very important facts. You must write them down. And another question is Chauri Chaura. Chauri Chaura, where is it situated? You must write it down. So it is situated in Gorakhpur district. Okay. So it is situated in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Where it is situated, it is a very important fact. This place is famously known for the incident that took place on 4 February 1922. That massacre took place in police station. That is, 22 policemen were shot to death by setting fire the police station by civilians. And this was kind of retaliation by civilians because these policemen killed 3 civilians by firing. So that is why this incident took place. And Gandhi ultimately revoked his movement after this incident. Okay. So this was some very important questions that were related to history, Indian history. And this is the way of writing that you must include all the important aspects, important facts in your answer. Don't write down any frivolous things that is not very demanding, that is not very important for your answer. So all the important